everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Heather and today I'm sharing the making of the little drummer boy jacket. It brought me so much joy, I just had to share it with you guys. First of all, it brought me joy because it is an outfit for a little boy with a disability and it's his first Christmas pageant, so it's with the school, and I was just super excited to be part of his journey. And his mom and I went to college together and we lived together, so it's extra special that she reached out to me and asked me to be part of this journey that they're on, and it just brought me so much privilege and just made me feel great. And I just really enjoyed making this little outfit. It was so cute, the whole process, and I just hope you guys really enjoy this, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. This is me just tracing the pattern piece, and I do cut them out. Unfortunately, I didn't get that on video. Now I'm sewing the back seam and the yoke. This is a close-up. Here is the collar pieces that I cut out, and the collar is sewn on. Now I'm sewing the decorative stripe on. Just a close-up of the stripes and the black wrist cuff, and the shoulder pad I had to cover with golden material, and then I made my own fringe with this golden type string. I'm making loops here, and here's the fringe on the shoulder pad with a little decorative rope going around.